are you? Welcome to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro smartphone price and specification. So today we'll discuss on this Infinix smartphone Hot 9 Pro and Hot 9. These two smartphones price and specification. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics we will discuss in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you don't get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full.
Okay friends, now we'll watch the Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro smartphone price and specification. Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro. Smartphone maker Infinix has finally launched its great device Hot 9, Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro, Infinix Hot 9 Pro in India after all the leaks. Users have got the support of MediaTek processor, strong battery and HD display in both the latest smartphones. Let us tell you that the company had previously introduced both these smartphones in Indonesia. Now Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro price. The company has priced the Infinix Hot 9's 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at rupees 8,499 and the Hot 9 Pro's 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant price at rupees 9,499. Both these smartphones can be purchased with ocean blue and violet color options. At the same time, the sale of both smartphones will be on e-commerce site Flipkart. So if you want to purchase, then you can go to the Flipkart portal and then you can purchase it from their Flipkart. And this is Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro is available in this Flipkart only. And the sale of this Infinix Hot 9 Pro will start from 5th June, while the Infinix Hot 9 smartphone will available to customers from June 8. Now Infinix Hot 9 smartphone specification. The Infinix Hot 9 smartphone has a 6.6-inch HD plus display which has a resolution of 1600 into 720 pixels. The display resolution of the screen, and also the MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor has been given for better performance in the smartphone. At the same time, this smartphone works on Android 10 powered XOS 6.0 operating system. Talking about the camera, users have got a quad camera setup in the smartphone which has a 13 megapixel primary lens, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a low light sensor. Apart from this, an 8 megapixel selfie camera has been added to the front of this phone. Infinix Hot 9 smartphone battery. The company has given connectivity features such as 4G, VoLTE, micro USB port, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and 3.5mm audio jack in Infinix Hot 9 smartphone. Apart from this, users have got 5000 MHz battery in this smartphone. Infinix Hot 9 Pro features. Infinix Hot 9 Pro has a 6.6-inch Full HD plus punch hole display which has a resolution of 1600 into 720 pixels. Also, the smartphone has MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor. At the same time, this smartphone works on Android 10 powered XOS 6.0 operating system. Talking about the camera, users have got a quad camera setup in this smartphone which has a 48 megapixel primary lens, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro lens and low light sensor. Apart from this, a 8 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash light has been provided in the front of this phone. So 8 megapixel front camera for taking selfie in this Infinix Hot 9 Pro smartphone. Now Infinix Hot 9 Pro battery and connectivity. So the company has provided the connectivity features such as 4G VoLTE, micro USB port, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and 3.5mm audio jack in the Infinix Hot 9 Pro smartphone. Apart from this, users have got 5000 MHz battery in this smartphone. So this is about our report, and now we'll watch the website report for detail about this Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Hot 9 smartphones price and full specification. So go to the website and have a look. Okay friends, now we'll watch the website report for this Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro smartphones price and full specification. So this is the NDTV report, and Infinix Hot 9 Pro, Infinix Hot 9 with MediaTek Helio P22 SoC launched in India. Price and specification. So India Hot 9 Pro comes with a 48 megapixel main camera and carries a quad LED flash, whereas Infinix Hot 9 packs a 13 megapixel main camera with triple LED flash. So this is the case specification. Now we'll go to this is the picture of this Infinix Hot 9 Pro. Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 have launched in India as the latest smartphone offering from the company. The phones come with almost identical specifications apart from slight difference in the rear camera setup. The Infinix Hot Pro has a 48 megapixel main camera at the back and the supports quad LED flash, while the Infinix Hot 9 has 13 megapixel main camera with triple LED flash support. So this is the simple difference with this Infinix Hot Pro and Infinix Hot 9 smartphones. And both the Hot 9 and the Hot 9 Pro include a hole punch display design and a Helio P22 octa-core processor. Now the Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 Pro price in India availability. Infinix Hot 9 Pro is priced in India at rupees 9,499 for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage option. The Infinix Hot 9 on the other hand is priced rupees 8,499 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option. The phones will go on sale via Flipkart. The first sale for Infinix Hot 9 Pro is scheduled for 5th June at 12 PM noon, whereas the Infinix Hot 9 will go on sale on 8th June at 12 PM noon. The Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 will be offered in ocean blue and violet colors. So two color options of these two, both this Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Hot 9 smartphones. One is ocean blue and another is violet and violet color. So blue and violet, two color variants of these smartphones available in this market, Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro. Infinix Hot 9 Pro, Infinix Hot 9 Pro specification. So then Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro support dual SIM slots, nano plus nano. So both SIM slots are supported nano SIMs and run on Android 10 based on XOX 6.0. The two phone features a 6.6-inch HD 720 into 1600 pixels hole punch LCD hole punch LCD IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio, 90.5% screen to body ratio and 480 nits brightness. They are powered by 2.0 GHz Helio P22 octa-core processor paired with IMG powered VR GE8320 GPU and 4GB of RAM. And internal storage is 64GB and it's further expanded using this dedicated micro SD card slot up to 256GB. So you can insert micro SD card to expand your memory up to 256GB for more storage, for store more documents, more photos, more videos. And as for the optics, the Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 comes with quad camera setup, a back. So in this rear back panel, quad camera setup is there, and the setup is placed on the top left corner and sensor are aligned vertically. The Infinix Hot 9 Pro includes 48 megapixel main camera with f by 1.8 aperture, a 2 megapixel depth camera and 2 megapixel macro lens and additional low light sensor. So quad camera setup in this rear back panel of this smartphone. The Pro model includes a quad LED flash on the side. In contrast, the Infinix Hot 9 has a 13 megapixel main camera with f by 1.8 aperture, a triple LED flash instead. The camera features include custom bokeh, AI HDR and AI 3D beauty. So this is the picture of this Infinix Hot 9 Pro. And up front, the two phones have 8 megapixel selfie camera with f by 2.0 aperture and LED flash support. The front cameras reside inside the hole punch cut out placed on the top left of the screen. Front camera modes include AI portrait, AI 3D face beauty, wide selfie and AR emoji. There is a 5000 MHz battery integrated inside the Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro. The company touts the battery to at least 30 hours to 4G talk time and 130 hours of music playback and 13 hours gaming and 19 days of standby time. So this is the case the main specification of the battery. And the Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 features a rear fingerprint sensor and support face unlock as well. Connectivity options include Bluetooth V5 and 3.5 mm audio jack, FM radio, USB, OTG, VO, Wi-Fi and micro USB port. Sensor on board include G sensor, E compass, gyroscope, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. All the sensors are available in this phone, and the phone supports DTS surround sound. So this is the specification, and now the key specification of Infinix Hot 9. The key specification is display 6.60 inch, and processor is MediaTek Helio P22 MT6762. Front camera 13 megapixel. And rear camera is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and RAM is 4 GB and storage is 64 GB, and battery is 5000 megahertz, and operating system based on Android 10, and resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels. So this is the key specification of this Infinix Hot 9 smartphone. Now we'll see the Infinix Hot 9 Pro smartphone's key specification. Display is 6.60 inch, and processor is MediaTek Helio P22 MT6762. Front camera is 13 megapixel, and rear camera is 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. RAM is 4 GB, storage 64 GB, battery capacity is 5000 megahertz. Operating system, it is based on Android 10, and resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels. So this is the key specification of this smartphone. So that's it about our report of this Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 with MediaTek Helio P22 SoC launch in India, and its detailed price and full specification.
That's it, and after watching this video, now you can know the detail about the price and specification of Infinix Hot 9 and Hot 9 Pro smartphones. So hope you'll enjoy this video and like this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And if you have any information regarding this video and want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of Yours and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.